This is an amazing outdoor patio heater I've been so impressed with. It has 8 different levels, so different size spaces will totally work. When it is on level 8, I am so impressed with how strong it is. It can really heat up an outdoor space. It is lightweight, so you can move it around pretty easily. I love how it has this fireproof part, so if it falls forward or something, it's less likely to catch anything on fire. There's just an on switch back here, and then I can pick the level I want. I'm going to put it all the way up to 8. It is super quiet. It starts working and heating right away. This could be awesome to have if you have an outdoor dinner party or a patio party, if you just want to be enjoying the outside and nature on a chilly day. I think this is just amazing. It's great for home use, but I could also see restaurants using it to heat up their outdoor patios. It really can heat quite a large area. I like how it has 8 different levels because if it's not that chilly of a day or if you're right next to it, level 8 is quite strong. So it's super nice that you can turn it down a bit. You are able to put it on a timer, so if you want it to automatically turn off, say after 8 hours, you can program it to do that. It also has a remote control that you can use, which is super handy. So if you want to turn it up or down or turn it off or something from across the room, you can do that. Here I'm just turning it down to level 2 because it's not that chilly. It can rotate back and forth. So if you are trying to really heat a large space, you'll be able to get some different areas by it rotating. I've been so impressed with this heater. I think it is excellent for large spaces, for outdoors, for patios, for dinner parties, even for restaurants. I highly recommend it.